Hey guys, so this is the video on how you guys can add extensions. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add different wallet extensions like your MetaMask extension, your Soulflare or Backpack wallet extension for Solana projects. Also, I'm going to show you guys some projects that through adding their extension, you can be earning some airdrop points, or let's say you can be interacting with them indirectly. So these extensions, number one, which are the wallet extensions that we are going to add. In Web3, most of the tasks that we are going to be doing will be making use of these extensions wallet, not the wallet that we download on on our phone directly. So, and the only supported browsers that can actually do this are those browsers that we call Web3 browsers. For Android users, that is where we are asking you guys to download Mrs. Browser, Kiwi Browser, or Yandex Browser. But I always recommend Mrs. Browser for Android users, also Mrs. Browser for iPhone users. But for the iPhone users, they have some limitations on what they can actually do with the with our browsers. So, but for people that want to be making use of their laptop, it means that you guys doesn't have any problem. You can use any browser so far it is laptop, because all browsers on laptops either support either extensions or add-ons. So all these things are something they can do freely on laptops. So now let's get started. First and foremost, I want us to know that this extension of the things too, there are some things that we need to note down from it. For instance, now if you are creating a wallet extension, always learn how to back up your wallet seed phrase. That is your special password to your wallet. If you lost your seed phrase, definitely you don't have any access to your wallet again. So now let's get started. And we are going to talk about some project, like I said earlier. Part of it is Gradient, Dawn, Teneo, extensions. I think if I still have more to add, then I will add it. Now let's get started. First and foremost, let's go with the wallet extensions first. We want to add MetaMask extension, for example. You click on MetaMask extension. You can see it's MetaMask. It will actually pop it up. Just search MetaMask extension. So now what you are going to look at when you search is the one that has Chrome Web Store. Anyone that has Chrome Web Store, that is the official link to it, not the one that actually indicates MetaMask to download. Though if you click here too, there is a space there that will definitely take you to the MetaMask extension website. So the next thing for us to do is to click the link. Let's see what it asks for us. So once we click on it, this is how the page is going to look like. For anything extension, this is how it's going to look like. Then we write the name of the project you want to add, and also you will see something like add to Chrome. So now let's get started. First thing first. Once you are on any extension platform, you can see this marked, it means that this is verified. I hope you understand now. You can see that confirmed mark. So now let's get started. What you will need to do is to click on Add to Chrome. I hope you understand. So once you click on Add to Chrome, wait for like 2 seconds or 3 seconds for this kind of message to pop up. It will ask you all the terms and conditions you want you to accept. So you now click on the Add extension. Once you click on the Add extension, allow it to download. Once it has done successfully, at times from your phone or any laptop that you are using, it might open itself. I hope you understand, automatically for you to set up your account. And also it can also it can also just download finish, and it will tell you that remove from Chrome here. I hope you get it now. So that is that on that. Before it download finish, let's also go to Backpack wallet extension. That is for Solana project. Backpack wallet extension. So MetaMask has successfully downloaded. So you can see the same thing, Chrome Web Store. You click on it. As you can see, also you can see this rating and everything, this mark tick. It means that we are downloading the official we are downloading the official extension. So click on Add to Chrome also, then add extensions. So that is how you can add any type of extensions. I hope you get it now. So now, moving on to the next thing, you can see that MetaMask has already opened itself automatically after it has successfully downloaded. Now, once you are at this point, since you are just creating a wallet, you will click on Agree MetaMask extension and you create new wallet. But assuming maybe when you create your wallet, there's an issue with your phone, probably you lost your phone or blah blah blah. You click on Import New Wallet, then you proceed. But for the sake of this training now, some of us does not have wallet here, so let's create a new wallet. So the first thing first, click on Create New Wallet. Just agree to the terms and condition and you click on Agree. The first thing it will ask you is to set a password, minimum of 18 character. I hope you understand. For the sake of this lecture, let's use airdrop unlock as password. Airdrop unlock as password. Okay, let's make a capital letter. Airdrop unlock. That's the name of our group now, isn't it? So now airdrop unlock, you can see now. But like I said earlier, like I said, seed phrase. Abi, now this airdrop unlock password, the only function of this password is for you to access your account. This is not the main password to your account. The real password, we are coming there. Then you click on create new wallet. So after you click on create new wallet, it will ask you to secure your account. Always do so. Click on secure my wallet. It means that you want to back it up. So you can see something like reveal your, what's it called? You know, it's actually telling you, make sure nobody is looking at you. It means that this seed phrase is something that is very, very important for you to have access to your wallet. So reveal secret phrase. You can see this now. So let's say I'm copying this now, for instance. I'm copying this and I want to go and save it somewhere. Now, this is how you can save your back up your, what's it called, your seed phrase. You can back it up to your Gmail address. You can also back it up to your Google Drive. That is very, very safe. So that's why I said if you can create a new Gmail account for crypto, you know that anything related to crypto will be there. So in case of anything, maybe peradventure you want to need it in the future, you will be able to go there and access your, what's it called? You access your seed phrase, then you set up your wallet again. I hope you understand now. So now that is it. This is the seed phrase that we are using. So it will now ask us some questions to verify whether the seed phrase, maybe you note it down. So you understand. So that is what they want to actually gain from it. So now to secure the wallet, now you click on next. It will ask you to fill in some gaps just to confirm whether you've wrote it down. So for this now, they ask us to enter the number 3, which is the words there is enter. Number 4, that one is stamp. While number 8 is rather. So that is that on that. Then you click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, definitely you are done with your extension, MetaMask extension wallet. Now, after you had your MetaMask extension wallet, what is expected of you doing? What you need to do is, how can you add different network chains? Because as far as Ethereum and what's it called is concerned, we have thousands of network that you can add. So these are the network bar. This is it. Here you can add a lot of, what's it called, available networks here. At times, although everything is the same wallet address, but they have different network. Just like we saying about banking system, for instance now, all banking system, we know that they are using 10-digit numbers as our account number. Our account number is also refers to as our wallet address as far as anything EVM or Ethereum virtual machine wallet support is concerned. Now, these are the name of the bank: Arbitrum One, Avalanche Chain, Base Minute, Binance Smart Chain, Optimism Minute, and Polygon Smart anything. So these are the names of the bank that we want to be getting our airdrops from. Let me just be using that terminology now for it to make sense. Now, this is the first step, or let me say, the first way we can use to add was our network. So now let's try this first. click on add and you click on approve, it means that we successfully add an Arbitrum. You can see that now we have Arbitrum Linear Ethereum, and the wallet didn't change. It means that we are using the same bank accounts, just like all these OP, Pampe, Money Point, that your phone number can represent your account number without putting the front zero. So that is the perfect example of we having this Arbitrum one. We can also add Linear. It's also the same thing. It's already automatically there. You can see that it's the same wallet address. Let's add another change to it too, which is Binance matching. You can see that it's also what was it called? You will see that it is also in same wallet. This one is taking too long to add. I don't have that time. Let's add this ZKYNC. So you can see it is also the same thing. So that is the first method of you adding a wallet. Now the next method is you interacting with a platform we call Chainlink.org. So you go to Chainlist. Is it Chainlist or Chain? Okay, let's check Chainlist first. I think it's Chainlist. So here it is Chainlist. Now once you get here, you can see that these are the wallets, these are the network chains that we saw on MetaMask then, but this one has a very numerous chains that we can add that is not available on MetaMask MetaMask app. I hope you can get it now. So now the next thing for us to do, once we get to this chainlist.org of a thing, the next thing for us to do is to connect our wallet. Once we connect our wallet, we have to accept the prompt, or let's say validity of connecting wallet. So click on connect wallet. It will open our MetaMask extension for us to connect it together. I hope you understand now. So once you successfully connect your wallet, it will now ask you which network do you want to add. You can add it from the search bar here, and also you can just scroll down if you know what you want to add is actually within this. And also you can add testnet chains too. When we get there, we will definitely talk about that one too. So now, but for now, for the sake of this, you can see that we've connect our wallet. So let's say, for instance, we want to add these any of these wallet extensions. So we just click on add to MetaMask. Once we click on add to MetaMask, it will actually add to our wallet like that. So those are the ways of we doing it. So once we are able to, it will actually pop up. I don't know why Chrome is not responding to so fast. So that is, it will actually pop it up now, and we can see that. So we've added the, the network. So let me close this. That is the second way. I think the website is having some issue. Don't let it give us some setback. So let me just close it once and for all, since we know what we want to know. So the next thing for us now is to confirm whether the extension, or let's say the network, actually add itself. So we click on this extension button here. This is the extension bar. So you can pin it to your browser. It's available too on on your phone too. So now let's click on MetaMask. Let's click on MetaMask. So you can see that this is the new wallet, the new chain that we had, Flower Minute. That is that on on MetaMask extension. Now let's move back to Backpack wallet extension. So this Backpack wallet extensions now, it is actually a wallet extensions for Solana project, Eclipse projects too. So you understand, it is you can call it L2 of Solana. So now let's get started. Since it doesn't open itself like MetaMask did, so we just have to click on the MetaMask, on the Backpack extension icon here at this extension segment. So once we click on it, it will pop it up for us to set up a new account also, just like we did for MetaMask extension. So So let's open the backpack wallet. So I'll click on it and it will pop it up for us to set up a new account, just like we did for MetaMask too. You can see that it also brings two options. The first option is you creating a new wallet and also importing an existing wallet. So we can also import wallet, like you see all these available chain go, but the essence of we downloading backpack is actually meant for what's it called, is because of Solana, not because of anything. So once we can select this, it might actually show the other networks too. So okay, but I don't want us to import, I want us to create a wallet. That's why. So let's click it and open again. So you just have to create new wallet, click on Solana. I understand, you also accept the terms and condition. So now it will also ask you, have you saved your, what's it called? Have you saved your extension seed phrase, your wallet seed phrase? You can see this. So they will always give you warning because this is the password, the main password to your account. So it is one we ask you, have you saved it? So you can now tell them, okay, you've saved it. Probably you wrote it down somewhere, or you screenshot and back it up on your cloud, or any means of backing it up. So once you are done with this, click on next. It will also ask you password. So let's use, like we did for MetaMask, airdrop unlock. I hope you get it now. Airdrop. Okay, let's copy this. So you accept the terms of service too. You click on next. Definitely you are good to go. That is how you guys can uh add an extension. Like you can see now, this is the extension that we are talking about. Now, I said earlier that we are going to be talking about different projects too, that they are extension related to airdrops too. So we are going to be using, let's say, two projects for example. The first one is Teneo wallet extension. Like we did the other time, you just search Teneo, Teneo extension. This is not wallet. Sure you understand. I'm very sorry that I mentioned wallet the other time. This is not wallet. This is a deepin project that the more you are active on your browser, the more it will be reading points. I hope you understand now. So you click on it, assuming you've seen the Chrome Web Store also, like we said the other time. Now you click on Add to Chrome. You click on Add to Chrome and also confirm Add to Extension. So let's down that one, it has downloaded, successfully download. Let's pin it also. Let's add one more. That one is what we call down extensions too. DAWN, down extension. These ones too, we can, so just click on down extensions too and also add to Chrome. We are going to set up these two projects. So Teneo and Dawn. So now let's move on. Let's pin this one too. So now let's set up the account. Now if you want to set up, let's first set up the Dawn extension. So you click on this down icon here. It will ask you two options, either to log in your account or to create a new account. If you already have an existing account, you have to log in. But if you don't have, just create a new account with your email and password, then you are good to go. So you click on continue, and like I said, you can see that this is the login page. So if you want to register, you click on register, your name, put your name there, airdrop, email airdropunlock@gmail.com, shift@gmail.com. You create a password to airdrop unlock. So you view it. So you also write airdrop unlock here. Or let's say we just copy one down. So now I'm giving you the what's it called, any referral code, anything you get there, just write it, like if they give you referral code. So now I will drop everything, the details of the referral and everything. So once you are done with that, allow this thing to load finish. It will bring something like a capture code. I think I'm having network issue, that's why it's actually lagging like this. So you will see something like this capture code. Once you are done with the capture code, then you click on create account. And once you click on create account, the next thing for you to do is to move to your email account, your Gmail account, to go and verify the registration. So once you are done verifying on your Gmail, now you can now come back here and make use of the login page here. So once you log in, it will be reading. So once you log in, you see something like boost reward. That one is you joining their Telegram server, join their Discord server, also joining, like following them on Twitter. So once you click on these three social media icon, you'll be able to have additional 15,000 points. That is that on what's it called? That is that on Dawn extension. Now let's move on to Teneo wallet extension. This Teneo, for instance, now you can see it also has two ways: either sign in or log in, like either sign or sign up rather. So email address, your password, your confirmed password, invitational code as well, then you sign up. And once you are done with that, you can easily go to your login page and what's it called, and put down your login. So let me just log in once you log in, this is how it actually brings it. I hope you understand. And you now click on connect node. Always make sure that your node is very active. I hope you get it now. And you need a very good network for it to be to connect successfully. So once it's connected, it will bring something like it's reading a times here. As you can see now, you can see the next Teneo point. This is the total point that I'm having, 10,125. Today's this is 300. So that is that. So that is how you can actually go with that. So now let me add one more project. I think let's add gradient extension. All these ones, make sure if you want to be doing them, you need your laptop to be very, very active, and even your phones too. You can be using them on your phones too, but make sure that you are always online so that this thing will be reading the way you are active online. So once you can see that you follow the same step, gradient century node, meaning that we've done 3 projects now: Teneo, gradient, and what's it called? Teneo, gradient, and Teneo, gradient, and Dawn extension. So as you are a new user also, you can just click here to sign up, enter your email address, confirmed, and get the necessary referral that you need. Every details will be dropped in the description and also on the group for you guys to see. So once you are done with that, the next thing for you to do is to log in. Once you've set up your account, you've registered successfully, you can just log in your account and then you proceed. For instance, now, like this gradient of a thing now, once you've set up your account, you can just go to your your profile here. You connect your Discord, you connect your Twitter account. That is all for now. So now, thank you very much for watching this wonderful video. I think you will learn 1 or 2 things on how we can add an extension. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a nice day.